Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu on your Xbox. Asu is a highly engaging rhythm game, captivating millions of players globally. While it's fundamentally a PC-centric experience, there are methods to bring this exciting game to your console. We will explore the current possibilities and necessary steps to get Asu running on your Xbox, ensuring you understand the process thoroughly. Let's dive into the details. Unfortunately, Asu does not have an official release or dedicated application for Xbox consoles. The game's development has always focused on personal computer platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems. This means you won't find Asu available for direct download or purchase through the Xbox Store. Understanding this fundamental limitation is the first step in exploring alternative ways to play. Since there's no official Xbox version, unofficial methods involve streaming. One common approach is using cloud gaming services that support PC game streaming to your console. Alternatively, you can stream Asu directly from a powerful personal computer to your Xbox using various applications. Both options demand a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally with low latency, and a robust computer to ensure a smooth gameplay experience. When playing Asu, through streaming, your Xbox controller can be configured to interact with the game. It is absolutely crucial to customize your key bindings to suit your preferred playstyle and ensure comfortable, responsive controls. However, it's important to note that the gameplay experience with a controller will feel significantly different from the traditional mouse and keyboard setup, which many Asu players are accustomed to. Expect a learning curve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.